this problem, it's a simple problem. You have a number of employees and you have a head. You have a head with head ID. The head will be the superior of the company and he won't be having any manager on top of it. So, and you have a list of managers. For example, your company have only your company have 6 members. Your head is 2. So, and you have manager list. Manager list will be having the index of the manager to whom the employee is reporting to. For head ID, for 0th employee, manager is 2. For first employee, manager is 2. For second employee, manager is -1. This is because head ID is 2 and there is no manager for him, so it will be -1. And the rest of the employees also have manager as 2. And the inform time means the propagation delay between manager and the head. Here, all the employees have a propagation delay of 0, except from head, it takes 1 second to bring the message, to get the message processed at head. So you have to figure out what is the net latency while transferring a message from the root. Root means head to all the employees. By what time all the employees will know if a message has triggered from the head. So for that, first we need to create a adjacency list of employees. Adjacency list of employees will be recording for each manager who are told the employees. Then we will do a DFS starting from the head. So because we are transferring the data from the head, we have the grid formed adjacency list and inform time. So at DFS, we will be having current, this grid and the inform time. So we will initialize max as 0. In fact, we can initialize max as, we'll initialize max as 0. Then we will iterate through every employee which this current is a manager. So it will give you the maximum, it will give you a time which that employee is taking to propagate message to their children. Their children means their manages. So you will pick the largest one. Out of all your manages, you will pick the largest time that will be stored in MX. And now you will add your delay into the result given by the subordinates. In that way, you will be erasing the net result. Here you have 2 test cases. In the first test case, there is only one person in it, and the head is 0. And there is only one person, he is the head. You don't have any inform time delay. So the result is 0. For the second test cases, there is a 1 second delay in the minus for the head. That will be giving you a result 1. You can do this test for any other test cases. It definitely pass. Thanks for listening.